They have very good players, talented players, but we are ready. We are excited with this new opportunity. When you lose one game, you want to play immediately the next game because it's the opportunity to show everyone we can come back stronger. Was painful the last game for us, and we are expecting and looking forward to play the next game against BFC. We got two games at home in 3 days, in 4 days, and it's a good opportunity for us to get points and to come back in the top positions.
Should we be a little more extra motivated for the next game to win after the loss like that?
I think there are not extra motivation. There are always highest motivation to play against everyone. The team, the squad, the players always want to win against everyone. It's not a special game because you lost the last game or you won the last game. We are preparing in the best ways possible this game, as always. And I don't feel there are extra motivation about this. There are the same motivation as always, and this motivation is 100% from my players.
So we have a great home record at the Galinga. So do you think team will be able to keep going on with that?
Sorry?
We have a great record at Galinga. We keep on winning. So do you think you can continue that form over here?
Hopefully we want to win, obviously, but we need to put the focus in this game. We need to analyze the things we did before and improve in some things. I think we in the last games always we score first in all the games, and maybe we need to learn to manage the games in the second half. No? If we are coming back and thinking in the previous games against Chennai, against Mumbai, against FC Goa, against Kerala, was an amazing first half. We scored the first goal in all the games, and then we need to learn because we need to manage the second half. We lost a lot of points in the last minutes, even in the last game against Kerala. I think in the minute 85 we conceded one goal, and we need to learn about this. In terms of stats, this is the past, and we need to put the focus in the future, in tomorrow's game, and we need to keep the things we are doing well, especially in the first half, and we need to improve in the things we can be better.
Last time we have faced Bangalore FC, we have won the Super Cup against them, and it will be like revenge match for them. How we will approach it?
Yeah, it's the past. For us now, it's a different context, different environment, and it's important for us not to affect the past in the future. I think every game is different, the team is different, the squad is different, the competition is different, and obviously when you have good memories in the past, it's good. When you have bad memories in the past, it's not good. But the game is different, and we need to prepare the game for tomorrow in the context this season with these teams. And they have a different squad, we have different squad. The past is not possible to affect us in the future.
And Bangalore FC has been seen they are struggling a little bit, but now their captain is back, and it will be an advantage for us. We are playing them in our home stadium.
No, obviously, Sunil Chetri is a very good player. He gives them a lot of balance in a lot of terms. We know the potential of this player, but as always, I told you, for me the most important thing is the team. No? It's the squad. It's not about individualities. Maybe you have a very good individualities, but you need to beat a very good team. No? And I think Bangalore is a very good team, even they have very good individualities.
Any injury this time?
We need to check today in the last training session, and we need to know all the players are available. But there are Jerry is possible to come 100%, and let's check about Lenny. If Lenny is ready, we have the full squad for tomorrow's game.
Last time, team argument with the other teams, Bangalore team and our team with the argument last matches. Now, is it okay or same argument will continue?
Argument?
Yeah. The last match,
The last match.
argument is there. Player argument. क्या करते हैं? बात ना.
लेकिन हमारे टीम में
Okay. Some argument between some players of your team on the pitch during the match.
During the match.
Now you remember, I think.
About some players during the match.
Yeah.
I think it's part of football. I think it's when you are a family. I discuss a lot with my wife and my daughter and my parents also. And when we finish the discussion, we are stronger as a family. This part of football, this part of the life, and not means nothing for me as a coach. It's very important to speak in the dressing room, to speak with the players, to have everything very clear. They are friends, they are family. There are no problems about this. It's more than another people is possible to think about this kind of the situations. Obviously, we need to try to avoid this. But for me as a coach, I know perfectly my players as a person and as a players, and it's part of the football. I think it means they are feeling something on the pitch. They want to win, and when we are suffering, maybe these situations happen.
It is the part of the game. It's part of the football game. Argument is there. Otherwise, no.
Yes,
Important.
it's part of the football.
Part of the game.
Yes, part of the game.
Captain, how is your team?
Like in what?
Then you are going to win tomorrow.
Yeah, we want to win every match, like as coach said. We are preparing well, though we didn't have good results in the last matches, but we always want to win, and that's the coach mentality. We want to win.
Chetri is there, na? Chetri is with that team, so you are ready, prepare.
Yeah, Chetri is as usual as a player. We all are players, and we want to win. Like our team is prepared, and as coach said, we are ready to play any match, no matter what, who the opponents are. We just want to play and win.
Very nice.
Christian, how does it feel to be sharing pitch with Motada, Paul, Jao and Carlos?
To be honest, I've been with these players in FC Goa and the coach as well, and for me, they are one of the best players in the league. And as you know, it's like always a pleasure to play with them, alongside them, to learn things and experience things. And now sharing the pitch with them once again, it's been a pleasure, because I always try to learn something or the other from them, because it's good for me, and that's.
Vincent, you came to my entry after a long time.
That is a part of football, so I'm now training well, and as coach said, like whenever we get a chance, we have to play and we have to prove ourselves. That's it. And yeah, whenever it's like we want to win, that's it. Whenever.
Vincent, like, what are the threats do you think PFC is going to face against us? How, as a team and individually, you think we will be?
To be honest, I feel it will be a very competitive game, because they won't come easy on us, and we won't let them come easy as well. Because we will fight for every challenge, every ball, and we intend to win this match, and we hope the result turns in our favor, because last two matches were difficult for us in the ISL, because we score, we concede. But as now, like coach said, we just want to play ourselves and win the matches.
Coach, the last question is like there is a little bit of an unrest amongst the fans, obviously because of the results. Like any complaining message to the fans that will keep their heads cool.
About the fans, only I can tell them thank you for their support when we are playing at home, and apologies when we are not getting the results we want to get for, because they deserve the best. Only I can tell him, I don't like to ask the supporters a lot. I prefer to give them more. But I think the most important thing is we need to be together in a good moment, in a difficult moment, and now is it's very important week for us because we have 6 points at home in 4 days, and everything is possible to change in 4 days. In this competition, we know ISL very well, our supporters also, and only I am expecting they come to the stadium. Because they help a lot to us during the games, and we need them. We need them. Finally, you are working for them.
The time after 8 p.m. That is good time, fitness time for you, for your team.
We cannot choose. It's like 8.
You have to play.
No, it's good time
Maybe
because
maybe unfit.
yes, the weather is good now, and I think it's good time. It's good time.